Welcome to Ragdoll Engine. Look at this jump, bro. We bought this jump. And look at this climb. Look at this climb, guys. I don't know why I look like this, but it's so weird. Look at this, guys. Look at this climb. Look. I climb so new. Look, it looks like a normal climb. We have to wait for the floaty or whatever. I'm coming. Don't worry. I'm coming. Look, look. Me too. Could Kobe, look. That's so cool. Kobe, I landed it. Come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. We look so handsome. I look, I look like a.
It was all your fault.
Oh, what happened? What happened to you? What happened? Tell me what happened. Whoa!
My head was broken. Wow!
Whoa!
Okay, guys. What's up?
My cousin said what's up. What? Oh, what? That was so cool. What? I did a flip.
You were so funny. I'm landing at you.
Whoa! Did you see that? I spin around. Look. Whoa! Whoa! This is movie. Look at me. Look at me.
I landed.
What? Wait.
I landed again.
How do you do it? How do you do it? Whoa! What?
No.
I'm gonna do the top.
Whoa! I landed.
Whoa! Did you see that? I jumped and I hang here. What?
It's already marked.
Damn!
Push it.
Oh my gosh. That lady. See you later, alligators.
Yeah, see you later.
Whoa, don't move. Don't move. No! Stop. How are you doing that? I'm already sliding off.
You're so funny.
ASMR. Why are you laughing like that? Oh!
You fall.
I fell. Let's go and do some flips. Let's do some flips, boys. I don't care. I don't care about the floaty. Let's go in that building.
Nah, I'm just gonna go to the field.
No, we have to go to the building. Come on.
You keep doing that, then I'll go to the field.
Please.
Okay, 10 That's it. Bum, 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 bum.
Hey, Kobe, I see you. I see you. Go in the building. I see you. But, ow! Oh, I
Mark,
landed it. There you go.
hey, you can do it. Hey, you can do it. You can go to the floating. Ha ha.
Wait, who's Peter? Who's Peter?
It's Tom.
No. No, somebody's named Peter. Somebody's named Peter. Like, look, he has white hair. Oh! Wait, I'm gonna look at you. I really hope you land the jump. What in the road? What? Look, look.
I'm gonna jump.
Okay, Kobe, let's do the backflip. But,
Okay,
oh,
let's go to the building.
yeah. Are you so much faster than me?
Are you tall, Marky?
Wait, what?
Oh, yeah, you're tall. Yeah, I trust you.
Why are you so slow?
Marky, I'll trust. I'll end the call. Bye,
What?
Marky.
Where are we gonna go? How far are we gonna go up?
You're so slow. You're actually so slow.
How
You're
far are we
so
gonna go up? So guys, we're gonna go at the end. We're gonna go at the edge of the map. We're almost there. We're almost there. Do you see the black thing? We're almost there, guys. Come on, come on. Wait, what?
Wait, let's see who's the tallest.
Wait, let's see who's the tallest. Go in first person. Hit. Hit.
Okay, Marky, you go. Let's see who's the tallest.
Okay, let's see who's the tallest. I think this is cheating because it's of the mask.
Okay, you go first.
Okay, guys, you have to look at this. 3, 2, 1. This looks so weird.
Mom.
Come on, my. Come on. Yeah. I did it. I did it.
Bum, 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 bum,
Jacoby,
bum, bum.
Jacoby. Guys, look at this. This is so weird. Oh no! We have to do some like.
Floating.
Whoa! What happened to this guy? What happened to this guy? Oh, it's ready. It says ready. Yeah, boy. Let's go. This is like getting to the floaty episode. We have to like the jacket episode. With the jacket. Come on! Don't fall. This is called the floaty episode. This is called the floaty episode, guys. This is called the floaty episode. The floaty episode is done. Peace out. Bye.